morning, Standard 7. The Delhi Sultanate, Chapter 4. Today we will be doing Tughlaq Dynasty. Now, who was the founder or who was the first Sultan of Tughlaq Dynasty? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was the first Sultan of Tughlaq Dynasty. Who was the first Sultan? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. So he did not follow the policies of Alauddin Khilji. He did not follow the policy of Alauddin Khilji. Okay. Now, with regard to the nobles, but army policy was adopted by him. Now here he won the support of the nobles. Okay, he won the support of the nobles. How he won the support of the nobles? Okay, what way he won the support of the nobles? Permitting them to retain their post, lowering land tax rates, and allowing them to levy extra taxes on peasants. These three things you have to remember, that how Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq got the support of the nobles. What he did to get the support of the nobles? Permitting them to retain their post, lowering land tax rate, and allowing them to levy extra taxes on peasants. These three things was done by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Now the next, he annexed Telangana, he annexed Madurai, he annexed East and South Bengal. These are the places which was annexed by him. So after here, you have to remember Ulugh Khan. Now who was Ulugh Khan? Ulugh Khan was the son of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. So here, after the victory, okay, after the victory, when a victory of East and South Bengal, when Ghiyasuddin was returning back, Ulugh Khan built a wooden platform to welcome his father back from Bengal victory. Okay, what was done by Ulugh Khan? He built a wooden platform to welcome his father back from Bengal. Okay, but what happened? Something very sad thing happened. The platform collapsed. Okay, and when the platform collapsed, when Sultan stepped on it, the moment the Sultan stepped on that wooden platform, it collapsed. So here there is a controversy. Some says that it was done deliberately, some says that it was an accident. So we do not know what exactly it was. Okay, some says that Ulugh Khan had done deliberately, some says that no, it was an accident. Now Ulugh Khan succeeded Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Okay, Ulugh Khan succeeded Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq and he took the title Muhammad bin Tughlaq. What was the title which was taken by him? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So this, what was the real name of Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Ulugh Khan. Now we are going to study about Muhammad bin Tughlaq, famous ruler of this dynasty. He was the famous ruler of this dynasty and he was known by historians for different reasons. These historians, they refer him as a mad sultan, they refer him as a wisest fool. Some historians they tell mad sultan, some historians they say the wisest fool. But what is the reason? Why these historians they refer him as a mad sultan and wisest fool? Because he developed brilliant ideas. He developed brilliant ideas but failed to implement because he was not having practical planning. Absence of practical planning. Okay, you have to remember here why the properly? Absence of practical planning. It's due to the absence of practical planning. Now, from where we get information? We are going to study about Muhammad bin policies in the coming videos. Okay, so here you have to know from where we get information about Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Ziauddin Barani and Ibn Battuta. So they were the South African traveler. They came to India and whatever was seen by them, they have written in their account. So they were the historians, we can say. So their account help us to know about Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So in today's class, you studied Tughlaq dynasty founded by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. You studied about how Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq died, and you studied why Muhammad bin Tughlaq known as Mad Sultan. Okay, so please learn this. Thank you.